Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these unicorn dream catchers to hang in your window. Dream catchers are supposed to catch all the bad dreams that go through and leave you with only nice good dreams. Now you only need a few things to make one of these, so let's get started. Okay, so to make your unicorn dream catcher you'll need either a paper plate or just some card cut into a circle. So it's easy to use a paper plate because it's already a circle, but if you don't have one you can just use some thin card and cut that into a circle shape. A sharp pencil, a piece of blue tack, some sellotape, some kind of glue, either Pritt stick or PVA glue, a piece of white card, some scissors, and some kind of string or wool on any kind of colour you like, maybe some felt tip pens or crayons, a different coloured card perhaps, and then something to decorate your dream catcher with. So whatever you've got around the house that you'd like to use, you can use that. So the first thing you need to do is to cut out a circle from the middle of your card or your paper plate. So if you've got a craft knife and you've got an adult to help you, you could use a knife to cut out a neat circle, but if you don't have one of those, I think the easiest thing to do is just to get a piece of blue tack, put it underneath your plate and use your sharp pencil to poke through and make a hole, and then you can poke your pencil all the way through to make a bigger hole, and then use your scissors to cut out the middle. Okay, and once you're happy with your circle, then it's time to add the string in the middle. So there's two ways you can do this. I think the easiest way is to cut some small lengths of string that are about the length, the same diameter as your circle. Okay, so that's from here to here, the diameter of the circle. So once you've got a few pieces, you just turn over your card and you use some sellotape to stick them Okay, so can you see that I've stuck them all down, but I haven't done them all just meeting in the middle. They cross at different points. Okay, so they're all around the plate. And you could do a few more if you want. But what you might need to do is just trim the edges if there are any pieces like this sticking out. So the other way that you can put your string on is to thread it through, and you'll need a hole punch for this. So you just make lots of holes around your circle. So once you've made your holes around the edge, you'll need a longer piece of string or wool this time, and just thread it through one hole and secure it with a little knot. Then start threading through the holes randomly across. And once you're done, just trim any bits of wool that you didn't use off. And you can just tie that into a knot as well. And then just trim off any edges. Okay, and that's your basic dream catcher shape. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is make some ears for our unicorn. So if you just take your piece of white card, and it's easier if you fold it in half and then draw on your shape and cut it out, so you've got two pieces that are the same. So we're going to draw an ear shape, and then we just need to cut the ear shape out. Okay, so we should have two ears that are the same. to go onto our Dreamcatcher. And you can decorate the ears if you want. You could use a felt tip pen. I'm going to just add a pink bit in the middle using another piece of pink card. Okay, then I'm just going to glue them. Okay, so you've got your ears, and to attach them, I'm just going to turn your Dreamcatcher over and use some tape. So our unicorn needs a horn, so I'm going to use this nice white sparkly card to make mine, but you could use just some plain card and colour it in, or some glitter to decorate it. It's up to you. So on the back of my glittery card, I'm just going to draw a shape of the horn. You could use a ruler if you wanted to make a nice straight line. So it's basically just a big long triangle shape like that, and then we need to cut it out. Okay, there's our horn, and we'll attach it to the back of the Dreamcatcher in the same way we did the ears. There we go, and you're going to need something to hang up your Dreamcatcher. So all you need to do is take another piece of string or wool, just fold it in half so you've got two lengths the same, and then just use another piece of tape to secure that on. There we go. So if you want to, you can add lots of different things to decorate your unicorn Dreamcatcher. So I'm going to show you how to add some wool at the bottom, so this bit that hangs down here. Okay, so to add some bits at the bottom, you just need to make some holes with your hole punch again along the edge. And then I've cut some different coloured wool into lengths, so we've got a few pieces all the same length. And then you just need to gather them together and thread them through the hole. This might be a bit tricky if your wool's quite thick. So just a piece there. And the last thing you can do is just to decorate any way you like around the edge. So you could stick on some pom-poms, use felt tip pens to colour around the edge, and you could even use some beads, so you could thread these on whilst you're threading your wool across. Or feathers are quite traditional on a Dreamcatcher as well. You could perhaps tie those to the ends. So I'm going to have a go at decorating some of my Dreamcatcher. Thanks for watching, everyone. Here's my finished Dreamcatcher. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you get a chance to make your own Dreamcatcher at home. See you soon, bye!